Materials and methods. Sample collection and preparation. 9 samples of forages were collected from forage section of the National Dairy Research Institute, or NDRI, Karnal, India. That can be divided into 2 categories. Green forages selected were berseem, Egyptian clover, maize, oats, sorghum, pearl millet, and sugarcane tops, whereas dry refuges included oat hay, wheat straw, and paddy straw. Feed samples were dried in hot air oven at 600 Celsius for 48 to 72 hours until constant weight was attained. The dried samples were ground using electrically operated Wiley mill. The ground samples were kept for further analysis.
Chemical analysis. The chemical analysis of feedstuffs included proximate analysis such as dry matter, total ash, organic matter, crude protein, and ether extract. Cell wall constituent fractions in NDF and ADF and lignin were also estimated. Starch and nitrogen fractions were determined, including soluble protein, non-protein nitrogen, NDIN and ADIN. Carbohydrates and protein fractions were calculated using the CNCPS method. Additionally, calculations were done for TD-NFC, TD-CP, TDFA, TD-NDF, TDN-RUP, and RDP, according to NCR guidelines. Statistical analysis was conducted to check for significant differences among groups using the GLM procedure and Duncan's new multiple range test.
Result and discussion. Chemical composition of forage and agro-industrial bioproduct. The chemical composition of 9 different forage and agro-industrial byproduct sample was analyzed. Sugarcane top has the highest organic matter percentage at 91.77%, while paddy straw had the lowest at 85.44%. Berseem had the highest crude protein percentage at 17.69%. White paddy straw had the lowest at 2.45%. Maize had the lowest soluble protein value at 24.45%, while sugarcane tops had the highest at 58.25%. Paddy straw had the highest neutral detergent insoluble nitrogen value at 62.59%, while sugarcane tops had the lowest at 18.85%. Oat had the lowest as in detergent soluble crude protein value at 10.56%, while wheat straw had the highest at the 30.66%.
Maize had the highest non-protein nitrogen value at 80.41%, while paddy straw had the lowest at 28.77%. Berseem had the lowest neutral detergent fiber percentage at 43.82%, while wheat straw had the highest at 75.03%. Paddy straw had the highest ash percentage at 14.56%, while sugarcane tops had the lowest at 8.23%. The gross energy values varied from 15.59 to 17.38 megajoules per kilogram DM, with Berseem having the highest value. The difference in chemical composition values among studies may be due to variations in plant varieties and environmental factors. Previous studies have reported different values for CP and TDN in maize fodder.
The table shows the results of different forages and agro-industrial byproducts in terms of their carbohydrate fractions. The instantly or fast degradable fraction Ca range from 2.63% in oat hay to 34.24% in berseem. The intermediately degradable fraction Cb1 varied from 3.73% in pearl millet to 11.46% in berseem. The slowly degradable fraction Cb2 was highest in sugarcane top at 73.46% and lowest in berseem at 34.25%. The undegradable fraction CC was the highest in oat hay at 25.99% and lowest in sugarcane tops at 10.9%. Previous studies have shown similar trends, with wet and paddy straw having low values of Ca and high values of Cc, while sorghum, wet straw, and sugarcane tops have similar values of fraction Cb1, and paddy straw and wet straw have similar values of fraction Cb2. Maize and oat had higher values of Ca and Cb1 compared to wet straw, paddy straw, and sugarcane tops.
Protein fractions. The protein fractions of different fodders were analyzed and the results are summarized in Table 3. The P instantaneously degradable content was highest in sugarcane tops, 39.79%, and lowest in paddy straw, 9.79%. The PB1 fraction, rapidly degradable, was highest in sorghum, 27.94%, while PB2, intermediately degradable, was highest in maize, 44.95%, and lowest in wheat straw, 10.57%, and paddy straw, 3.39%. PB3, slowly degradable, ranged from 4.73% in sugarcane top to 36.47% in paddy straw. The highest amount of PC, not degradable, was observed in wheat straw, 30.66%, and the lowest in oat, 10.56%. Previous studies by Kitwas et al. In 2020 and Prusty et al. In 2013 reported similar results in some fodders, with differed in others. Campbell et al. In 2011 reported variations in the values of PE in oat, maize, paddy straw, and sugarcane tops compared to other fodders.
The Table 4 provides data on the nutritive values of forages and agro-industrial byproduct including TDNFC, TDCP, TDFA, TDNDF, TDN, DE, MER, DP, and RUP. Among the samples, Bersim had the highest TDNFC 31.50% and TDCP is 13.47% values. Sugarcane tops had the highest TDNDF 42.90%, while Bersim had the lowest 17.29%. Paddy straw had the lowest TDN 43.60%, DE 7.73 mg/kg, ME 5.91 mg/kg, RDP is 1.46%, GM, and RUP 1% DM values. Bersim had the highest TDN 57.14%, DE 10.29 mg and kg, ME 9.00 mg/kg, and RDP 12% DM values. Maize had the highest RUP 6.96% DM value. Previous studies have reported similar results for TDN in Bersim. With a straw and a paddy straw, wet straw was found to have lower DE and ME values compared to other forages.
The conclusion. It can be concluded that CNCPS can be used to evaluate carbohydrate and protein fractions to predict the nutritive potential of forages to ruminants. Based on our findings, it was concluded that forages and agricultural byproducts may have different availability of nutrients to animals while having a similar C2O and CP contents. So therefore, the carbohydrates and proteins fractions of the feed ingredients should be kept in mind at the time of ration of rumination for the ruminants.